In this video, I will show you how to set a stock price alert on Trading 212. So first of all, open up your app and then go to the section where you have all of your assets, or just click on the search icon and then select an asset where you want an alert for. And after you have selected it, let's say I want it for Palantir, then I'm going to click on the stock and then I'm going to click on this alert thing at the top right. And once I click on this, I can set a price alert. So right now, the stock price is $112.77. Well, let's say I want a price alert for $100. Then I'm going to fill in $100. And if I want a recurring price alert, then I can also toggle this option on. And then every time the triggered price reaches the specified level, then you will get an alert. So I'm just going to set it to $100 and then click on Set Price Alert. And now I will always get an alert on Trading 212 when this stock is reaching $100. And you also need to make sure that you have your notification settings turned on for Trading 212. So you can just go ahead and do that in your settings. Go ahead and type in Trading 212 or the app settings, and then make sure that you have notifications turned on so that you are sure that you're receiving the notifications. So this is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.